you know, Mustang. So I came out to change these because they were, faulty. So let's put some new ones on. They were mini combination amber clear lenses. So you can see that they cracked and the water got in and they stopped working. So yeah, little fixes like that. Get in touch. The Mustang doesn't have the indicator on the side in America, so it has to be retrofitted. Customer had them done, and eventually the LED side repeaters failed. This is what we needed to get to replace it, and yeah, it's working again now. You can get a new MOT. Nice car though, isn't it?